To get us before connecting to an auto hotspot connection in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select intelligent Wi-Fi. Scroll down the screen, tap auto hotspot connection, and then select ask before connecting. When you choose this option, your phone will ask you before it connects to an auto hotspot connection. This will let you to choose to continue the process to connect to an auto hotspot connection or not. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.